Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something that hits a lot of people right in the chest: college. Specifically, whether it's truly the one path to success, or just one of many. Every exam season, my messages fill up with two types of stories. Some people are buzzing with joy. I got in. My parents are proud. And others are quiet, disappointed, questioning themselves. I failed. So what happens now? If you're feeling that pressure, breathe. Let's talk about it. 1. Our education system needs a serious update. Most of us grew up being told that learning works like this. Teacher talks, student listens. Memorize, repeat. And look, that system might get you good grades, but it rarely produces greatness. Because here's the truth. If a student only learns what the teacher hands them, the student will never surpass the teacher. And if every generation is only as good as the last, how do we expect society to advance? A real mentor doesn't just give you information. A real mentor opens doors, shows you what's possible, makes you curious enough to go explore on your own. Curiosity, not memorization, is what pushes the world forward. 2. The real superpower in life? Self-learning. Let me share something personal. A lot of people assume I must have gone to top universities, earned fancy degrees, sat in lecture halls with polished floors and shiny projectors. But the reality is simple. I never went to college. Everything I know, from business and finance to design, psychology, leadership, came from one thing: self-learning. One day at a time, one improvement at a time. And no, I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you this to remind you that you have the same ability. Your brain isn't your limit. Your discipline is. If someone like Elon Musk can self-learn rocket science, you can self-learn coding, marketing, filmmaking, sales, whatever passion keeps you up at night. We live in a generation where entire degrees are available for free online. Skills are just a YouTube search away, and opportunities are everywhere, if you know how to learn. 3. Knowledge matters, but soft skills decide your future. I've met brilliant students, straight A learners, people who can solve math problems faster than I can drink coffee. But some of them step into the real world, and they struggle. Why? Because nobody taught them how to speak with confidence, how to listen, how to negotiate, how to be likable, how to navigate people. Your degrees might open a door, but your character is what keeps the door open. And the crazy thing? No school truly teaches this. These are the things you pick up by observing, practicing, being humble, and learning from real-life experiences. You can be the smartest person in the room, but if people don't want to work with you, success becomes a lonely road. Learning is not a 4-year journey. It's a lifelong commitment. College lasts 4 years. Life lasts decades. If you get into university, awesome. Use that time wisely. Explore, make friends, find mentors, challenge yourself. But if you don't get in, that's not the end. It's just a different route. The people who grow the most aren't the ones on the perfect path. They're the ones who wake up, look in the mirror, and say, "All right, this is my situation. Now how do I get better today?" Whether you're in a classroom or in the real world, your responsibility is the same. Show up, learn, improve, repeat. If you didn't go to college, you actually have a secret advantage: freedom. You get to choose what you learn, when you learn, how deeply you go, what career you build, what skills matter to you. No filler classes, no waiting for a professor, just pure, intentional self-development. College is not a golden ticket. And skipping college is not a curse. They are simply two different roads leading to the same destination, a better version of yourself. As long as you stay disciplined, stay curious, stay responsibility, and keep improving every single day, you will build a life that you're proud of. The path doesn't define you. The effort does.